Breaking news, Bitcoin just broke below $88,000 and the market is freaking out. If you think the crypto market is stable, think again. Because just hours ago, Bitcoin collapsed below $88,000, triggering one of the most aggressive sell-offs we've seen in weeks. And trust me, what's happening right now could set the tone for the entire month. Stay with me because what I'm about to break down will explain why this crash happened, who's behind it, and what's likely coming next. Let's jump in. Bitcoin's sudden fall. What really happened? Bitcoin didn't just dip, it crashed, slicing through 90K, then 89K, and now sitting below $88,000, leaving traders stunned and the entire market shaken. This isn't a normal correction. This is a risk-off shockwave hitting markets worldwide, where investors are pulling money out of high-volatility assets. Stocks dropped, crypto followed, and Bitcoin took the hardest hit. Reason number one, global panic and risk avoidance. Right now, markets everywhere are nervous. There's fear around economic data coming this week, uncertainty about inflation, and pressure from global events. Investors are choosing safety first, which means crypto, the riskiest market, gets dumped instantly. Reason number two, big players cashing out. After Bitcoin's strong run recently, major holders, including whales and large funds, appear to be taking profits. This creates a chain reaction. Whales sell, price drops, retail panics, more selling, more liquidations. It's the perfect storm. Reason number three, Federal Reserve shifts policy. Today, the U.S. Federal Reserve officially ended its quantitative tightening program, a massive move that has investors confused about what comes next. QT ending can increase liquidity, but uncertainty about future rate cuts has traders on edge, and uncertainty always leads to volatility. Altcoins are bleeding even worse. While Bitcoin is down, altcoins are getting destroyed. Solana dropping fast, Sui and AVAX struggling, meme coins collapsing harder, plus several big token unlocks today added even more selling pressure. Not a good mix. Liquidations are stacking up. Within minutes of Bitcoin losing 88K, leveraged traders started getting wiped out. Millions in long positions have been liquidated, and this is adding fuel to the fire. When leverage burns, the whole market feels it. Social media panic, hashtag Bitcoin crash trending. Across Twitter, Telegram, and Reddit, traders are asking the same question. What just happened? Panic posts, screenshots, fear, all spreading like wildfire. And that sentiment alone can accelerate a crash. What happens next? Here's the truth. The next 24 to 72 hours will decide whether this is a temporary flush or the start of a bigger correction. Analysts are watching how fast Bitcoin can reclaim 90K, if altcoins stabilize, whether whales start buying the dip, and upcoming economic announcements this week. Right now, the market is extremely fragile. Final take, stay alert, stay ready. This crash isn't random. It's the result of global fear, whale activity, and macroeconomic uncertainty all hitting at the same time. But remember, in crypto, panic and opportunity often come together. And here on Crypto Shockwave, I'll update you the moment anything changes. If you want speed, accuracy, and aggressive coverage, subscribe now. The next 24 hours could be critical.